From time to time, you may need to access the scanning bed to clean it. To begin, put something on your table to protect your machine as we're going to be turning it over. Then grab a pair of fine-tipped tweezers and a lint-free cloth, as they will both prove very beneficial. Turn the machine over until you can see the bottom. Then push the lever at one end of the access hatch, lift up and out. You can now see the scanning bed in there. It's basically the sheet of glass between you and the scanner. Use your tweezers to remove any large debris, like hair or bits of cardstock or tape. Then use your lint-free cloth to wipe along the glass, removing as much material as possible. When you've finished, reinsert the access hatch vertically and then roll down and push into place. And while you're at it, why not give the screen a wipe too?